Hey everyone, this is my Emerson Type 77646 AS 12-inch oscillating fan. Now these fans were made from 1949 on into the 50s. I've seen them dated as late as 1954. What we'll do now is take a little look around this fan. Here's the switch panel and the badge. As you can see, it's all pretty patinaed and worn. The side of the fan, and the back, and there's the motor ID tag. It was a little hard to decipher the date on this. Here's the left side of the fan. And what we'll do now is give a demonstration of this fan running. So we'll start off on low. And this thing is very quiet. And we'll bring in the oscillation. This fan has Emerson's adjustable oscillation feature on it. That enables you to adjust the sweep. And we'll bring it up to medium now. This has a nice separation of speeds on it. And we'll bring it up to high. And we'll turn the fan off to show the coast down. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video about this vintage Emerson. We will have more to come, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.